Hi, this is for RMS Controls Manufacturing Advanced Lathe Tool Dynamometer with a computer interface data logger. Here is a 3 axis for 500 kg capacities for XYZ. Here is a system to connect the USB mode. How to first of all how to connect. Here is in dynamometer is XYZ is 3 axis is there. 3 axis cable goes through. Here is the indicator XYZ. So X is X, Y is Y, Z is Z connected. Here is a USB type output. This is for USB. See this is for USB. The signal is LED signal is blinking signal is that the USB signal communication output is coming there. Here is a power supply and how to operate. See this is a 3-axis lathe tool dynamometer. He is working for the strain gauge based. This is a X, Y, Z. This is the X direction. X direction is moved for, you see that in digital value, and Y direction is here. Here I have to press it for Y direction. Y direction. This is for Z direction. So Z direction I will press it for Z. Okay. This is for these 3 buttons for tiring application. When I pressing the tire, it will be automatically 0. Here this is the RMS Controls Manufacturing is an advanced microcontroller version, is the latest technology for the 2020. Here is how to connect the data logger. So this is a simple operation. When it's using for that, when only indicator means we can connect only indicator. In additionally you can connect to data logger means you have to connect that USB cable to that system how to connect. First you go for that installation. Here is a LabVIEW software is there. Here is a LabVIEW software. So double click. Here is you have to that first install that USB to RS232. So driver install. So double click, and the first driver you can install the driver. So go for that. So our system is Windows 64-bit. So Windows 32 means we can click Windows 32-bit, or Windows 64-bit means Windows 64. Our laptop is a Windows 64. So Windows 64 I have to double click. Here is a 3 here is a exe file is a com. You have to double click. Go for that extract. Then yes. And then next. So when that is now the driver software is installed. So finished. So you can go back and again go back, and then this is for USB to RS232 software. Okay. So this now is not needed. You go for that. So LabVIEW software you can install LabVIEW software. First of all, go back to that my installer. You have to unzip. So my installer. First install that my installer file. So I have already that unzipped that my installer file. You can double click and then double click for volume, and then exe file is that. So you have to install the exe file. Now that my installer, that LabVIEW software, the software is loading. So again you go for that next. There is a folder. Next. Because this is what I have already installed, so that that will be showing that the install has been finished is updating. So now we go for the finish. Okay. So next we go back. Next, here is a, this is for the two installer file is sorry, two files is there. One for RMS MCD, one for another for DTD, RMS DTD. So RMS, this is for MCD is a multi-component dynamometer. This is a 3-axis multi-component. 3-axis multi-component means is a lathe tool and a milling tool is a 3-axis. You can use it for multi-component. This is for DTD is a drill tool dynamometer. So only for this 2-axis. So now this is a lathe tool dynamometer is a multi-component for 3-axis. So I have to open for that this one. First you can unzip and install this one. This RMS MCD file. So exe file is a RMS. You can open it. This is for the multi-component for 3-axis for lathe tool dynamometer. First of all, okay, here you can check the communication port. Is now the status is the here the panel communication is the status is off condition, because that is a off condition. So when it's off condition, it will not working for moment. So you go for that. You can check for that. You go for that my computer, and then go for that system properties. Is a device manager is there. Is a device manager. You can double click. It will be that port and COM is coming there. See that. It's a port and a COM LPT. You can click and double click. Here is a USB port COM 9. Na? So that our multi-component device is a COM 4. So you have to change that COM 4. How to change means you go for that port setting. You go for advanced. Here is a click it. Use it up and up. I have set it for communication 4. Okay, you go for that. Okay. So now you can check it. That is the COM 4 is 4. So that our LabVIEW, that this multi-component software is working for the communication port is a common 4. Is a fixed. So you can check. You can connect this communication port is a COM 4, and now you can open it. Sorry. First you can close it. You go for the MCD and RMS MCD multi-component, and then this is for exe file. So now you see that this is a COM port status is now the dark green is glowing. So now the communication is connected. Here is a 3 axis for the XYZ print and graph and Excel. You can save the value. This is a 3 axis value. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now how to set? First of all, the communication you can check it. Communication. This is condition okay means here is a number of. Here is a samples per second is there. So number of samples you can, now that the number of samples I can increase that up and down arrow mark. So I have to say. And then this is for reset. Reset means when there is a next cycle you can start. Now that the reset is off condition only, that will run. So now this is a reset is on condition. That the dark, now I have press it again, that reset is off condition. This color is the reset off condition. So now I can press it in start. Here is a timing is there. Here is a 3 axis for that load versus time. Here is a x axis, y axis and z axis. This is for common for 3 axis for both graph x, y, z. So I have start this operation. Now I have to press it, go for that, press it for start button. So now this is working. So now the value is loading value is 0. So okay, so I have press it for this one. 3 axis. Now the 3 axis load is very, see that. So I have to move more. So vary that loading for instruments. Simultaneously the graph will be varying. See that this is advanced microcontroller type, and then LabVIEW also is advanced version also. So this is for 3 axis for load versus time. Load versus time. Okay. I have the print and the graph. So you go for cursor, for double click. Here is export the value, and here is export the value. This is advanced microcontroller.